Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to say thank you for coming to my presentation. It's great to see you all. And let me introduce myself and my group. My name is Sudis Pramizurina, and my partner is Ariel Devanza Ramadendi and Muhammad Alfarizi Mawana Suhanda. In this opportunity, I would like to present about network implementation in Cafe. Firstly, I would like to explain about network in general, and secondly, the implementation in Cafe, and finally, I would like to explain how it costs to uh, to implement the internet in your cafe. This is our team, Adel Panzara Madendi, Muhammad Mubarak, and me, Arena Sudisna Nuzulina. And from the group A. Internet network. So, what is internet network? A network is a collection of computers, servers, mainframes, network devices, peripherals, or other devices connected to one another to allow the sharing of data. An excellent example of a network is the Internet, which connects millions of people all over the world. Below is an example image of an office network with multiple computers, a printer, and other network devices all connected to each other and the internet. And we can see here, look at that, network topology. So basically, the network topology is it's a lot of network topology, but in this case, I want to explain what this topology is: the mesh network topology, star network topology, ring network topology, and the first topology in the world is the bus topology, and the fully connected network topology are it's combined from the one of topology and other topology is combined to become a connected network topology. So, identifying computer and a network. IP address. An internet protocol address or IP address is the numbers IP address and internet protocol address or IP address is the numerical level line to each device connected to a computer network that use the internet protocol for communication. An IP address serves two principal functions: host or network interface identification and location addressing, and MAC address. In a local area network or LAN or other network, the MAC or media access control address is the computer unique hardware number. On an Ethernet line, it's the same as the computer external address. When the user is connected to the internet from the user computer or host SD, the protocol thinks of it, a correspondence table relates its IP address to computer physical or MAC address on the line. It's basically IP address, it can change by your own, but MAC address, it cannot change. So in the next slide, it will explain by my friend. Thank you.
Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ariel Delvanza. I will continue my friend presentation. There is an kind of network media, wired network and wireless network. What is mean wired network? Wired network is the distribution of information via cable as a connecting medium and is usually used in local coverage such as in one building area. Cable that are often used are the types coaxial cable, unsealed twister pair cable or UTP, and fiber optic cable. Network using this cable besides having a higher level of security. And then wireless network. Wireless network is mean opposed to wired, so don't use cable. The distribution of information via radio waves as transmission medium, which is set to work in certain frequency field according to standard. And then uh, so I think the use of a wireless network is more profitable because there is no need to worry about distance. Next, network device. There is a kind of device. First, router. Uh, Router have a function to send data packet or information via the internet or network from a specific location to another network. These devices are needed to route this data packet to the network and route them accordingly. Next, access point. The access point has the main function of transmitting internet signal. In addition, other access point function also include complex connectivity setting. And the other function is regulating in existing access on a device based on the MAC address. MAC address is a unique identifier that belongs to the device network card. And then as a dynamic host configuration protocol or DHCP server, so that it is able to provide an IP address for each connected device, and then replaces the function of a hub that connects a wireless local network with wired network. Next, switch. The main function of the switch is to connect a number of computer devices in order to exchange packet and forward data to various destination devices. Next, server. The server function on a computer in general is to serve and be fully responsible for data requests from other computer or client computer. Then the server function or other computer is to set access right to a network that can be used by client computer. Next, IP phone. Converting the analog sound obtained from the speaker on the computer into a digital data packet. Then from the PC, it is forwarded through the router, sent through the internet network, and will be received by the destination via the same media. Next page is example of network computer. This project is consists of a building network system at cafe for creating easy access between each employees or even visitor. The network blueprint of the cafe contains one smoking area, one cashier area, one indoor room, one kitchen, staff room. The cafe manager want to create a single floor network that each employees can communicate via network. So the employees did not have to get out from their room. Also, the manager want to have their own server so the employees can store cafe archive in the local server and accessible from the internet. It is from me, and then Alfarizi will continue my presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Imam Farizi from Group 8. I will continue my partner presentation, and this is a device mapping. So this is device mapping of the internet, and in smoking area is there is a one access point. After that, in staff room there is a one switch into PC, and in the room, cashier area and kitchen, there is a 2 PC, 1 access point, and 1 wireless router. And there is IP allocation in the cafe. Staff room, there is a IP allocation, and in the room and cashier area, there is a IP allocation. It's internet from USB, and this is a network SIM. And this is in staff room. There is 2 PC connect to switch in there. After that, there is connect to the switch connect to PC in cashier area. After that, this is in the room, and this is a router. And there is a device. There is a device customer in the cafe. There is connect to wireless router to connect to internet. And after that, there is a smoking area. This is a router or access point. This is sharing to a customer device to connect the internet. Next, there is network topology hybrid. Benefit: 1, reliable; 2, scalable; and 3, flexible. After that, drawbacks: 1, complexity of design, and 2, costly hub or switches, and 3, costly infrastructure. And there is network device at the cafe. This is a hub MikroTik RB750R2 hex light, and this is a switch in cafe, gigabit port switch, and UTP cable 15 meter. And this is a router or access point in cafes such as in this smoking area and in the room. And this is internet provider in the cafe, in the home Streamix 100 Mbps, and there is a PC in staff room, PCIe Lenovo Media Center, and second PC HPIu 20 C4130. And this is a full set cashier computer package for cashier and cashier area. This is cost and network device in the cafe, and this is price of device in cafe. This is the 8 device in cafe to connect the internet. And okay, and this is VR presentation. And thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.